Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman, and in this lesson, let's play a game. Ooh, I love games. Me too. What game is it, Mr. Hoffman? We're going to be playing the mystery listening game, this time using the bass clef. Let's get started. Here are the possible mystery melodies that you have to choose from. This time, we're using the bass staff. So let's go through and get familiar with these melodies. Let's point and sing each one. This is the note a step above our bass F line, and we're going to be in the C major pentascale today. So a step above F is G, which in solfege today will be so, and then we skip down, so, mi, then we skip back up to so. So point and sing with me. Go. So, mi, so. Great. Now let's try number 2. This time you'll notice we'll start that step below the bass F line. So we have mi, mi, and then it skips back up to so. Point and sing with me. Go. Mi, mi, so. Good. Now check this one out. Do you recognize this note? It's one of our guide notes. That's bass C. So, because we're in the C major pentascale today, that will be do. Then we skip all the way up to so. Notice it's kind of a double skip. Do, so, so. Point and sing with me. Go. Do, so, so. Good. And then last of all, what note do we start on here? It's another bass C. And then what happens? Can you tell me what these notes are doing? Are they repeating? Are they stepping? Are they skipping? If you said stepping, you're correct. Notice how it goes space, line, space. That means they're just stepping up. So this would have to be do, re, mi. Point and sing with me. Go. Do, re, mi. And remember, in music, you don't have to worry about the fact that the stems are sometimes going up, sometimes going down. It doesn't really change how they sound. The rule is that when you get to this middle line of the staff, or higher, that's when the stems start coming down instead of up. Now that you know what all of these sound like, we're ready to play the mystery melody game. Ooh, can I play too, Mr. Hoffman? Oh, sure, Scuba. Just you listen along with all the students at home and see if you can figure out which melody we do. Okay. So here's the first melody. Listen and see if you can find it on the screen. Point to the one you hear. Listen one more time. Here it comes. Which one did you hear? I think I heard number 3. That's correct, Scuba. And at home, if you figured out number 3, you're correct. Now, point to each note and try singing it. And you can sing too, Scuba. Ready? Go. Do, so, so. Nice job. Ooh, let's do another one. Okay, here comes the next one. See if you can find what I played and point to it. Here it is again. Number 4? Nope, Scuba, it was number 1. Oh, number 1! If you said number 1, you're correct. Oh yeah, I see now. Can everyone point and sing the solfege? It's so, mi, so. Now you try. So, mi, so. Okay, let's try another one. Oh boy, this is great. I want to turn too. Okay, Princess, you try this one. Here comes the melody. Find and point to it. Here it is again. Number 4? That's right, Princess. At home, I hope you got that too. Now, remember, this one goes do, re, mi, point and sing, go. do, re, mi. Or what if we wanted to sing that in letter names? Do you think you can do that? Oh, I think I could do it. C, D, E. That's right, Princess. Good job. Thanks. Okay, let's try some different melodies. Here are some new mystery melodies to try. Let's first get familiar with how each one sounds. I'll sing it once, and then you point and sing along with me. This first one is mi, re, do. Now point and sing with me. Go. Mi, re, do. Good. This next one is so, so, do. Point and sing with me. So, so, do. Good. Now number 7 sounds like this. Do, do, do. Try with me. Do, do, do. 3 bass C's in a row. C, 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 if we're singing in letter names. And then number 8 is do, re, do. Try it with me. Go. Do, re, do. Can you tell me what number 8 would be in letter names? Try it by yourself. Go. The correct answer is C, D, C. All right, let's play the mystery listening game. I'll play one of these 4, and you point to the one you heard. Here it goes. Point to what you heard. I think it was number 8. You're right, Princess. Let's all sing it together. Point and sing. Go. Do, re, do. Good job, Princess. Woo, woo. Monkey, now you want a turn? Woo, woo. Do you know how to even do this? Woo, woo. Wow, I didn't know you could read notes on the staff. Okay, here's one for everyone watching and Monkey. Point to what you heard. Here it is again. What do you think it is, Monkey? Woo, woo. You're right, it's number 5. Ready? Let's point and all try to sing it together. Go. Mi, re, do. Can anyone tell me a song we've learned that uses that pattern? Woo, woo. It's Hot Cross Buns, right? Hot Cross Buns. Thanks for playing, Monkey. Woo, woo. Okay, let's do one last one. And you can try this one too, Monkey. Here it goes. Which did you hear? Point to it. Here it comes again. What do you think? Woo, woo. Nope, Monkey. It's actually number 6. Woo, woo. There you go. All right, let's point and sing it together. Ready, go. So, so, do. Nice going, Monkey. Woo, woo. Great job playing the mystery listening game today. Over the coming week, please continue to play this game on your own with a friend, teacher, or family member. Or finger puppet. That's right, Scuba, or finger puppet. To play this game on your own, you can find instructions and a game board inside the Unit 2 Piano Method book, which you can download as a premium member of the Hoffman Academy website. Just find a friend and take turns, being either the one who plays the mystery melody or the one who figures out the mystery melody. I hope you have lots of fun with this game developing your good music listening skills. Thanks for watching and see you next time. So, Monkey, you wanted to play the mystery listening game with me? Woo-hoo. Okay. Do you have some mystery melodies ready? Woo-hoo. What? Those aren't notes. These are bananas. I can't read bananas. Woo-hoo. Just trust you? Well, okay. I guess I could imagine those bananas are notes. Well, let's give this a try. Woo-hoo. Got it. Okay, go ahead and play. sounded like a repeat, then a skip down. Hey, this one! This must be the one! Woo, woo, woo! Whoa, that's amazing! Hey, princess, I can read bananas! Woo, woo.